Hello everyone. Necessity is the mother of invention, and with this time we have to bring some innovative and invention for you. So this is a small attempt from my side. We'll start with the unit planning, and as you can see in the screen, this chapter is into 5 basic main points. That is features of planning, importance of planning, limitations of planning, process of planning, and types of plans. A student need to write all the bullet points, and they should be able to understand each one of them in detail, and you should be able to explain the same topics also in detail if it is asked. Now as you can see, there are 7 points, but in board examination maximum weightage would be of 6 marks, so you have to remember any 6 of them in detail. We'll start with this unit. Now it may happen that the points will be having a slight difference from the book, because I have used this website along with the book. But if I start with the first topic, that is features of planning, what do you mean by pervasive? It means everywhere. Futuristic means planning would be about future. Decision making means when you make certain plans, you have to decide what has to be done. Continuous means if you plan one day and if you don't plan second day, it won't work. Planning has to be done on a continuous basis. Fifth is intellectual, that is mental exercise. You need to use your brain when you plan anything. There has to be an application of brain. You have to think, you have to use your logic when you make a plan. Primary function. Now what do you mean by function of management? The coming chapters, that is planning, organizing, staffing, directing, controlling, reporting, and budgeting. Till controlling it is in your portion. So primary function means planning is the first step. After planning, organizing, staffing, and all comes, so it is a primary function. And the last one is goal oriented. That means planning should be towards certain goals. So these are the points that you have to remember. But what we'll do is we'll go in the detail by which you can understand that in a better way. So let us start with this topic, that is planning, and what does it mean. I have prepared something for you. This is okay. So okay, let us start with the chapter now. Planning. So what do you mean by planning? Now planning is basically, it is not about that we plan for a movie or we go in a restaurant. उसको हम planning नहीं बोलते हैं. Planning का मतलब होता है we have to understand it from an organizational point of view. I mean, it has to be thinking in advance what has to be done, when it is to be done, how it is to be done, and who should be doing it. In simple words, we can say planning is about bridging the gap between present and future. आज हम क्या है, आगे हमको क्या करना है, क्या बनना है. So that will decide the planning. So this is the basic definition of planning. One more important part of planning is it is always based on the time period. प्लानिंग में एक और ये होता है कि हमको टाइम पीरियड भी डिसाइड करना है. से फॉर एग्जांपल यू माइट गो फॉर अ सर्टन प्लान, but that has to be completed in a stipulated time period. Say for example, I want to go for a movie show 9 to 12. That means in quarter to 9 I should be available in the hall, because I have to collect the tickets and everything. So that is when you talk about planning, it is also about fixing, or there should be a time period. वो time के अंदर होना चाहिए. Features of planning. Now planning contributes to objectives. As I said, the points may be differed, but you can refer it. I mean, जो भी आप प्लानिंग करते हो उसके पीछे एक गोल होगा. I mean, there should be a goal. Now planning contributes to objectives, or we can say in other words, planning can be goal oriented. जब भी आप कोई चीज़ प्लान करते हो तो उसके पीछे गोल होता है. तो हम क्यों प्लान कर रहे हैं? से फॉर एग्जाम्पल राइट नाउ वी आर doing this method of online. So why we are doing it? Because there is a goal. There is something which is hidden that we need to complete the portion. We have to see that students didn't suffer, so we make certain plans. Now this online teaching is also a plan. We started with audio, then we started with video, and I think now this one is with PowerPoint and audio video. So planning should be always goal oriented. Planning is the primary function of management. No other function of management will be there unless this first function is properly planned. After planning, organizing, staffing, directing, controlling will come. So we call it as POSCORB, POSDCORB. सो प्लानिंग सबसे पहले है, उसके बाद ऑर्गेनाइजिंग, स्टाफिंग, डायरेक्टिंग, कंट्रोलिंग, रिपोर्टिंग एंड बजटिंग, ये आएगा. सो प्लानिंग इज द प्राइमरी फंक्शन ऑफ मैनेजमेंट. सो इफ द बेस इज नॉट देयर, you cannot plan your things properly. So planning is the primary function of management. थर्ड पॉइंट इज प्लानिंग इज परवेजिव का मतलब होता है प्लानिंग इज एवरीवेयर, वेदर द ऑर्गेनाइजेशन इज स्मॉल, whether the organization is large, whether it is a manufacturing concern, whether it is an industrial concern, planning would be everywhere. Even in your daily life, if you see, there is a certain plan, कितने बजे उठना है, कितने बजे स्कूल जाना है, कितने बजे स्टडी करना है. So that is pervasive. Planning is pervasive. It will require at all levels of management, that is top level, middle level, bottom level. So planning, we call it, it is a pervasive function. Fourth point is planning is futuristic. It always relates with future. आगे क्या होगा, जो गलती हम पास्ट में कर चुके हैं वो ना हो. So again we have to see that the mistake should not be repeated. If one time there is a mistake, we can call it as an error, but if it is repeating second time, then we can call it is our it's a lack from our part. सो प्लानिंग इज़ ऑलवेज फ्यूचरिस्टिक. आगे क्या होने वाला है उसके बारे में हमको प्लान करना है. यू कैन नॉट एग्जैक्टली प्लान, बट यू कैन ऑल्सो प्रिडिक्ट. लाइक यू हैव टू मेक योर स्टेप्स व्हेन यू डू बिजनेस. यू हैव टू प्लान सर्टन थिंग्स, यू हैव टू बी ऑप्टिमिस्टिक. सो प्लानिंग इज़ फ्यूचरिस्टिक और फॉरवर्ड लुकिंग. पॉइंट नंबर फिफ्थ इज प्लानिंग इज़ कंटिन्यूस. जब आप बिजनेस करते हो तो आपको you have to plan continuously. कुछ ना कुछ नया लाना है, कुछ ना कुछ इनोवेटिव लाना है. Everything has to be planned in such a way that it should be on a continuous basis, because if you see market keeps on changing daily. So we have to also change our plans daily. So it is a never ending process, and it has to be changed according to the environment. So planning is continuous. सिक्स्थ इज प्लानिंग इन्वॉल्व्स डिसीजन मेकिंग. कुछ लोग क्या होता है कि दे जस्ट प्लान. फॉर एग्जांपल आप लोग 12th में आ गए हो तो यू मेक सर्टन प्लान्स कि चलो नाउ विल कीप इट, विल मेक अ टाइम टेबल, विल स्टडी दिस मच आवर्स एंड एवरीथिंग, बट दैट इज ओनली अ प्लानिंग. यू डोंट इम्प्लीमेंट इट. सो प्लानिंग इज इफेक्टिव व्हेन यू टेक अ डिसीजन. थिंकिंग इज डिफरेंट एंड डूइंग इज डिफरेंट. सो व्हेन यू प्लान सर्टन थिंग्स, वी हैव टू सी व्हाट आर द ऑप्शंस अवेलेबल. वी हैव टू सिलेक्ट द बेस्ट ऑप्शन, and after evaluating all the options we make a decision. It is very important in planning that you come to a decision making. आपको decision करना पड़ेगा. Seventh is planning is mental exercise. Now if we talk about any mobile phones, any automobile companies, now what they do is they new things are coming. There is a department known as research and development. It is a very it's a brain actually. It's a brain of every organization. So top level what they do is they think what can be done in a better way. So the top level management will be implementing their brains, and then again they will execute it. So planning is also about mental exercise. You have to apply it and you have to make sure that it works. So this is all about planning. That is basically the first topic, that is features of planning. You have to remember any 6 points from the book also you need to understand. My basic objective is like you refer this audio video, refer the slides, but take book as your main method of studying. The book should be your main, or the book should be your base of the studying. As I said, and I'm repeating again, the point may vary because this is from the net and from the book, but the concept would be same. So I hope this topic is clear. For any doubt you can WhatsApp or message me personally. Thank you very much.